Good morning, Deval.
Good morning, sir.
I think I'm talking with you first time.
Yes, sir. First time. Yes,
So
sir.
just I need a basic information from you, yes, where are you from basically?
Basically from Karnataka only, Belgaum district.
Acha, you're born and brought
So,
up in Karnataka only, right?
Karnataka. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is your qualification, Deval?
Sir, qualification is MSc in organic chemistry.
MSc in organic chemistry.
Yes,
From
yes.
which college?
From Govindram Sexare Science College, GSS. It is known as GSS College.
Acha, it is located in Bangalore itself.
No, in Belgaum.
Acha,
Belgaum district. Belgaum.
Acha.
560 kilometer from Bangalore.
Okay. When did you
Yes.
completed your MSc?
MSc 2020 batch.
2020 batch. Okay.
Yes,
After
yes.
that, are you fresher or experienced person?
No, sir. Experience. 3 years of experience I have.
Acha, you already have a 3 years of
Yes.
experience. In which
Yes.
department?
Yes. First in previous company. Now I'm working in my Genetech company. That is second
No,
company.
Deval. So please keep the confidential of your company name. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
don't tell the company name. Just tell that
Okay.
totally you have 3 years of
3
experience
years of
in quality
experience.
control
Yes.
department, right?
Quality control department, and now presently working in QA department.
Acha, recently you shifted to QA.
QA, yes.
Okay. So you already experienced person, Deval. So I think
Yes,
you
sir.
are working in one of MNC company. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
still, why you look for the training? Why do you come to the Rainbow?
Sir, in previous company when I worked in QC, I did not get the exposure of HPLC.
You did not handle the HPLC.
Handle HPLC.
Okay.
I did not handle.
Okay. What
So,
other tests did you perform there?
they basically from balance, pH, then friability, DT, polarimeter, refractometer.
That means it's a formulation company.
Formulation components.
Acha.
That's right. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
after that, you shifted to another company, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you don't get a chance to hear also.
Here it is QA department.
Acha,
Working
you
in IP
directly
QA.
shifted to QA.
QA. So that's why I wanted, because my qualification is MSc organic chemistry. So already I have done so many instruments. So I thought of doing HPLC and dissolution. So on that interest base, I joined.
I have small doubt. They will see as a
Yes,
QA
sir.
person, you join in
Yes,
QA,
sir.
right? You need
Yes,
not
sir.
to perform any test in your company, present
Correct.
company, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
then
sir.
why again you want to take a training on HPLC?
Yes, sir. So, sir, what happens actually when we go to any other companies? For example, if they allot us in analytical QA, for example, in analytical QA, if they put, then we need to do some investigations. For example, QC investigations will be there.
OS
Analytical
and
QA,
OTs.
OT will be there. Depending on that, we should know at least we should know the basics of instrument, how it is working. So for that case, I want to have that experience in my.
That's the reason you look for the training center. Then how do you know about this Rainbow Pharma Training Lab?
One of the colleague, means one of my colleague and friend, he has already taken training.
What's the name?
Baswanappa Akki. Baswanappa.
Acha. He took training here.
Yeah, he took training.
He referred here.
Yeah, I asked him. He lives near to my native only. So I just discussed him about what about the institute and all. So I thought to join.
Yes, Deval. See,
Yes.
I have a small doubt, Deval, because you are already experienced person. Okay,
Yes,
you got opportunity in quality assurance, right?
Okay.
Don't you get this knowledge? Don't you get chance to learn these things inside of the company?
Inside, no, sir. Actually, we won't get, because what happens, purely handling of HPLC will be in QC. But if we go to
person, you don't get it.
No, we don't get it. That is the reason. In IPQA, we may get friability, DT, such in process, whatever in process instruments we can get. Since I'm working in IPQA, but when we go to document QA, we won't get.
Okay.
So that is one we like.
Deval, you join here for quality control training or only HPLC training?
Quality control, complete quality control.
You join for quality control.
Yeah, quality control.
Okay, that means when did you join? How many months it took complete of this training?
Actually, I joined on May.
Around, you can say around.
Around 6 months, up to now 6 months.
It took almost 6 months.
Yes,
so that means
because
you
I'm
just
working.
come down for only weekends, right?
Weekends I used to come because of my work schedule. I could not come. So that is the
I
reason.
really appreciate you because
Thank you,
you should
sir.
both, you should be balanced both, right?
Balance,
Because
yes, sir. That
I
is
know
what.
that as an employee in the Pharma, so
Yes, sir.
you don't get that much of time. Generally,
Yes, sir. That is what.
it's very
Yes.
hard timings we have in the Pharma, but still,
Yes.
I really appreciate your passion to learn something
Yes. Yes.
about
Thank
this
you, sir.
quality control training.
Thank you,
And
sir. So
second,
shift
there
wise
was,
will be there.
mm,
Shift wise was there. So I
okay.
requested madam. So she also.
Whenever if you have A shift, you come evening.
I
You have
should.
B shift, you come morning time.
Yes, shift. So that how I managed my
So
time.
that's the reason they will see what are the process we developed, what are the trainings modules we
Yes.
developed. We
Yes.
developed, based on the convenient times of employees. Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
as
Yes.
we all know that our target is pharma employees only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
pharma employees they cannot come in specific time. Okay. They can
Correct.
come
Correct.
whenever
Yes.
if they have time. So based on that only we develop these courses. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Coming to
Yes.
the training level, so almost you came to the 6 months to complete
Yes.
quality control training.
Yes.
In that you go through the some virtual classes and well as
Yes.
detail lab, right? So just what is
Yes.
your experience entire the program level, because you're the experienced person, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
Yes. Yes.
honestly speaking, Deval, I need your genuine feedback. It's not like
Okay.
director is asking, that's the reason we can say positively. It's not like that. You
Okay.
just you complete MSc, you went to the
Mm.
colleges and you attend the mini classes in the college,
Yes.
and after that you join, you have
Mm.
around 3 years of experience in
Yes.
quality
Yes.
control and quality assurance. What exactly you feel about this entire the program level?
So according to program, I'm very happy
Mm.
from your classes and cooperation from your team. I, I thank you for those things.
Okay.
According to this institute, when I go through the classes and all, we have taught very deeply, point to point, whatever is there. Means we have explained very slowly also and very deeply, coming
Okay.
to the point and all. Then
Okay.
you have clarified any doubts and we have asked the doubts also.
Okay.
That was the online this one.
Okay.
And coming to practical, we got many experience like Priority DT, HPLC and all, because that is very important when we go to any industry. We need to have practical experience
Exactly.
rather than theoretical. We should have practical.
Mm.
So that we are getting here,
Okay.
because that is the difference between online and means the practical and theoretical.
Okay.
So that one is this one, sir. In future, I want now whatever we have is dosage form. We have only tablet.
Mm.
So when any fresher is coming, he should know about the basic things. So that basic things are there in our institute and in our classes. So that is the must. Because when I joined fresher, I was not knowing anything, because we were not knowing about the definition of SOP also, full form of SOP.
Okay.
When we went inside, we took so much of time to grasp everything,
know the subject.
know the subject. So if such type of training is given to students before entering, if we have some basic idea, then it will be easy for them to handle the pressure and the work also.
Okay.
So that what it will helps in this institute.
Second, as they will see, I
Yes,
just
sir.
want to know from you, like you are going to QA guy, right? Now you are the
Okay.
QA person.
Yes,
What
yes.
are the freshers is going to join in your organization? Let us example.
Yes.
There is a
Okay.
training program inside of the company, right? First,
Yes.
we conducted some basic SOP trainings.
Yes,
After
yes,
that,
yes.
they bring you into the laboratory and they are going
Yes,
to
sir.
follow the seniors and
Yes,
they
yes.
know they learn. So
Yes.
compared to those trainings, like in industry, what industry
Mhm.
is taking a training for freshers and what we are connected, what is the basic difference you observe the both training
Difference what happens when you go to industries. They give only particular work. For example, IPQC, or they give FPQC, or they give stability. But in your institute, there is generalization of all the tests from A to Z complete.
Okay.
Means at least they will get the idea how the dosage form starts, what test we have to do, then how, because physical test to chemical test. At the end, what test we have to do. But when we go to the industries, suppose if they put in IPQC, if they put in IPQC, we can't handle HPLC.
Exactly.
We have to handle only friability, details, so and so.
Exactly.
If we put in FPQC, then depending on the parameters, only FPQC parameters we have.
Okay.
So that filtration will take place in industries.
Okay.
But that filtration but here in our institute, there is you are teaching about the all generalization.
Exactly.
So we'll get an idea. Every student gets an idea how from where you have to start the test and where you have to complete.
Exactly.
So that knowledge we will get in this institute.
Thank you very much, Deval, and our fields. Okay.
Yes,
so thank you, and all the
thank
best
you, sir.
for the future, Deval.